Good morning. Welcome to an episode of Brickwives, where we will review the Lego typewriter Lego idea set number 35. This is probably going to be a fairly short review. We've already done the unboxing video, so we've already kind of seen all this. However, I'll show you one thing is the letters. So on the Lego Ideas, you get this booklet of letters in different languages. I think there's 42. Pretty neat. 43 maybe, based on the Ukraine being number 43 on this list. So 43 letters. You can tear them out, put them in the typewriter. The manual is nice and thick, back QWERTY. And the typewriter itself. So a couple things to know on this set is the keyboard actually works. You hit this, striker comes up, moves. Any of the keys work for the most part. The shift lock, the shift key, space bar, backspace, none of those work, but any of these other ones do. Moves it along. So this is set number 21327. Total pieces 2079. There is 2 stickers on this set. I'll try to lift this up a little bit to show one of them. System. The other one is on the back. System in play. It's mirror, so you can't see it very well. System in play, and then it has some numbers. Billund. There's no minifigures with this, obviously. And the MSRP on this is $199.99. That puts it at approximately 10 cents per piece. It weighs 95.73 ounces, or just under 6 pounds. That puts this at $2.09 per ounce. Pretty decent. It's an 18 plus set. And if you do the Lego apps, either the Lego Life or the Lego Instructions, this is in both. So I'm going to lift this up here, show you a little bit on this. So I have a paper in here. It's not one of those. I'm not taking those out yet. You also have the ability to reset. You have the change from red to black ink. Doesn't actually do anything specific. Notice on the striker, it's just the middle one that goes up and down. As you hit that, that moves. Technically, you're supposed to be able to roll in the paper and out the paper. It does kind of work. This is really just for show. It goes up and down. If you try to push on it, it's going to break. So you have to push here. There is no ding like you'd hear on a regular typewriter. But overall, man, I gotta say, love this set. This is a good showpiece. I'm going to take out the paper here. Show you. See, that rolls through. Overall, if you know, reviewing this set and giving it a rating as I am, each one of these, none of these are stickers, just the front part and the back part are stickers. I would give this a solid 5-star rating through and through. I don't find any specific fault with this set. There's obviously, only one of the strikers moves, sure, okay. But, it looks nice. That whole thing moves whenever you hit a key. Come on. This thing is pretty well done. The mechanics inside are pretty complicated, pretty neat. I'd like to show you inside there, but it's not really that easy. But you can kind of see, maybe through some of these. Anyway, so like I said, not that long of a review, but I gotta tell you, this is worth it. $200 MSRP. I don't know if I would, buy it on eBay or whatnot for a bunch more than that, but for the $200, I definitely think it's worth it. Thank you very much for watching. Please do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel if you like Lego sets, if you like reviews. There's also Minecraft videos on this channel. Overall, I hope you like the content. Let me know in the comments what you like, discussion board, what you like to see more of. And thank you again for joining Brickwise for another Lego review. Have a great day and stay safe out there.